Here I am with my Gaia board, aka Sheena board. Now, what I'm going to work on is this 180 scoop, like a U shape, with my push-ups. You start at the bottom and start to just open up here. And as I'm doing that, my grip is twisting the board. Yeah. So on the side that I'm opening to, that hand is going up and over. The side that I'm needing to be stable, I'm pulling towards me like motorcycle bike. Right? And this can lead to a push-up. Down U shape, push-up. Down U shape. So you can see my feet twist as well. Whew. And as you start to get tired, you just don't go as high. Whoa. Until you're just down here, twisting, and then resting. So I call those the U-boat push-ups.